Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So if you also want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Cash App. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Unfortunately, Cash App is not currently available in my region, but I'll guide you through what to do. Once you open Cash App, make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be led to the initial interface. At bottom, you'll be able to see several options. At bottom left corner, you'll be able to see your current balance. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. If you do not have any money on Cash App, make sure to add some money. If you have money on the Cash App, on the current balance interface, you'll be able to see several options. Over there, you'll be able to find the option for Bitcoin. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. There you'll be able to see several informations about the Bitcoin. There you'll be able to find the option for buy. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see the list of amount. Simply tap on any of the amount. If you want to enter other amount that is not listed, simply tap on the three dots. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. Now simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. After that, you'll have to confirm your Bitcoin purchase. You'll be able to see several informations over there. You'll be able to find the information regarding funding source, amount, exchange rate, symbol. You can also see total Bitcoin purchase. You can also see the fees and total cost. Simply tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. After you confirm the purchase, your Bitcoin will be bought. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.